gonna be the best day ever. This is gonna be the best day ever. Wake up, top of the morning. The bacon is crispy, the coffee is pouring. My meditation is peeling an orange. The bank says I'm already scoring. I got a parking spot right outside. Step into my brand new ride. All we ever get is green lights. Blue sky. This is gonna be the best day ever. You got me looking so fresh. I can't get no better. Baby, I'm a T-Rex. Ready to rumble, ready to flex. I'm the king of the jungle. Gonna be the best.
Anak, wish ko lang sa'yo. Happy. Maging malaya ka sa feeling.
Thank you, Mama, for everything. And I love you so much. Kami ni Ryan kasi nagkakilala kami way back 2018. Medyo nag-uusap-usap na kami gano'n. Then, in-invite niya ako sa feast sa church community. Then, ayoko pa nga nun kaso oo ako nun. So, doon nag-start yung mag-deep yung relationship namin. Siya yung dahilan ko ba't ako mas naging closer kay God. So, yun yung unang reason kung ba't ko siya nagustuhan.
Ryan at Kat, kung ang ipinahayag ng salita ng Diyos katulad ng bahagi na sinasabing hindi lang kayo magsasama, ang pangarap din ng Diyos, humaba ang inyong pagsasama. Kaya binabati ko kayong dalawa, tama ang inyong pagpapasya na magpakasal. Sapagkat hindi lang nagsasama ang tao, sinisimulan niya ito sa panunumpa. At ang panunumpa ay hindi pribado. Ang panunumpa ng mag-asawa ay pampubliko.
Catherine, see you later. Sobrang excited na ako. Ito na talaga yung pinakahintay natin. This is our big day. Thank you so much.
Alam ko na isa itong foundation para magkaroon tayo ng mas matibay na relasyon sa future natin. So, yun lang. See you later and I love you so much.
Magpagabahin mabuti, maging maayos na asawa para sa inyo. Okay? Opo.
Ma, thank you. Thank you po sa lahat, Ma. Thank you sa lahat ng pag-aalaga po sa amin. Thank you po for everything.
My heart beats for you alone. No house can hold the love that we own.
Ryan, I thank God for this day. Ginawa ka na instrument sa akin para mas mapalapit ako lalo sa kanya. And I vow na andito ako palagi habang buhay, alagaan ka. I love you so much.
Pagpalain kayo ng Panginoon na tapat sa inyo hanggang sa inyong pagtanda.
I cannot promise that I will be a perfect husband, but I promise that I will be a good husband and a good father to our children.
Like it was only ever you. And I'm feeling
Ryan Rivero, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang tip-tip si Catherine Ann na iyong pakamamahalin pagdilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
you were a part of me. I swear you'll always be. I swear you'll always be a part of
Wish ko lang atong araw na to, maging happy ka, maligaya ka sa piling ni Ryan.
I promise to be the best partner, mother, sa'yo as a future kids natin.
Slow dance on a New York City high rise. You and me on top of the world.
Catherine Ann, bukal pa sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang tip-tip si Ryan Rivero na iyong pakamamahalin pagdilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
You were a part of me. I swear you'll always be. I swear you'll always be a part of me. You were a part of me. I swear you'll always be. I swear you'll always be a part of me.
I will build our dreams together. You are now my partner in life, forever and always. And we are now one, blessed by God. I love you so much.